Hi there, hope you're well. It's Jim here from jimmonkhouse.com. I'm a web designer and developer based in Leeds, and I'm just going to run you through a case study of a recent client website that I've worked on. So this website was for the Nicky Waterhouse Trust, which is a children's charity based in Leeds. And I'm going to run you through the reason for the redesign of the website. I'll let you know what the client's goals were from the outset of this project and how they dictated my approach to this redesign. So the client goals were the ability to edit and publish content. They wanted a content management system where they could go in and change any aspect of the website, and so they could easily publish content and articles on the work that they've been doing within the charity. They wanted a more unique design as well, which was a bit more standout and had a bit more personality than the previous design. They wanted to improve the conversions through the increased call to actions, so better placed call to actions and more easily identifiable call to actions as well. And they wanted it to be a scalable solution that they could build out and add new content to easily, add new pages to, and new structures. So what we'll do first of all is we'll look at the old website and we'll identify what was wrong with it, and then we'll move on to the improvements that I've made to this website here. So looking at the old website here, it's a single page scrolling website. And the problem with this is it's not very good in search engines and it doesn't really categorize information very well. So overall, I'd avoid going for this single scrolling page unless you're doing a landing page. So it has, in terms of design issues, it has a slider at the top, which is bad for usability. It's something that users don't really look at and they just scroll past. Then we have the call to actions here, which are really weak. They don't stand out very much. And again, the user's just going to scroll straight past them. It has a bad information hierarchy throughout. So it just has this Twitter box sat here, kind of in no man's land. And then it has these sections which don't really entice you to engage with them. Again, you're just encouraged to scroll straight past them down to the bottom. So there's not much really going on this website. It hasn't been optimized for speed either. So it loads quite slowly. And the design is too generic and forgettable, and it just lacks identity throughout. So what we'll do is we'll now look at the improvements that we've made to the website. So the first thing I've done is I've built this on a WordPress content management system, which is going to give the owners complete control of the website, so they can go in on a visual interface and they can edit anything they'd like. They can change out these images, this text. Any aspects of this website can be easily changed, and you don't have to have any technical knowledge in order to do this. The next thing I did was I created a more unique and recognizable design, which not only communicates clearly that this is a children's charity, but it's also a bit more memorable than the other design here. So once you've been on this website and you're going to click back onto it, you're going to know where you are with this big blue banner, obviously the big logo here, and we've got these call to actions and these graphics like related to children. So I also added some animations to increase user engagement and add some extra personality. So if you hover over elements on this website, they'll just gently lift up, and obviously we have these arrows animating in to encourage people to come in and hover over the buttons and interact. And this is throughout the website, so you can see different elements that you hover over will pop up. I've added clear call to actions that are basically unmissable. So within this top navigation, we have a donate button. We also have a big donate button when you land on the page, and these donate buttons are throughout the website content. So if you go to any pages, you'll see that we're always encouraging the user to click on the donate button. We've also improved the website structure for search engines. So we split the content out across separate pages. And it has a clear hierarchy throughout the website now to improve its ability to rank on search engines. We've optimized images and increased the page load speed on both mobile and desktop. And we've also added a blog on the news and stories so they can easily publish content. And again, we've got like little interactions throughout, so it's encouraging people to click on these posts. So yeah, with regards to the results of this redesign, it's a brand new website that we've just launched. We haven't really had enough time to track the performance, but we're confident that it's going to provide better results than the websites previously. And we're going to be tracking analytics to make sure this is the case. So yeah, I know this was a quick one, but I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'm going to be putting out more case studies about videos and web design in general. So feel free to click the subscribe button, and if you did find any value in this video, if you could just tap that like button, as it really helps me get out to more people. Yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for your time. Cheers.